In this video, we are going to talk about Indonesia's strategy to enter Industry 4.0. Everyone must be familiar and know about the Fourth Industrial Revolution or Industry 4.0. In 2015, it was popularized by Klaus Schwab, the World Economic Forum founder and executive chairman. He introduced the phrase to a wider audience in a 2015 article published by Foreign Affairs. Due to increased interconnection and smart automation, technology, industry, and societal patterns and processes are rapidly changing in the 21st century. Transformative technologies are changing the industry. So more processes now being undertaken using technology. The term Industry 4.0 involves adopting new technologies and developing new forms of intelligence that stimulate competencies. Throughout this, fundamental shifts are taking place in how the global production and supply network operates through ongoing automation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices using modern smart technology, large-scale machine-to-machine communication, and the Internet of Things. This integration results in increasing automation, improving communication and self-monitoring, and the use of smart machines that can analyze and diagnose issues without the need for human intervention. The ability to increase productivity, reduce production time and cost, limit human errors, and improve product quality and accuracy are just a few of the possible benefits provided by the Industry 4.0 concept. However, entering it, some supporting criteria must be met by the industry to guarantee the deployment of the Industry 4.0 idea to operate smoothly. The availability of plentiful, inexpensive, and constant electrical sources, as well as Internet network infrastructure with high bandwidth and wide coverage, are among the supporting requirements. Furthermore, the availability of data centers with sufficient storage capacity, as well as contemporary logistics infrastructure and industry-friendly employment policies, will be critical for the Industry 4.0 concepts. To enter the Industry Revolution 4.0, Indonesia's Ministry of Industry has designed a roadmap called Making Indonesia 4.0. This roadmap serves to implement strategies on entering the Industry 4.0. The Making Indonesia 4.0 roadmap is an opportunity for the country to revitalize its manufacturing sector and become a powerhouse in the Fourth Industrial Revolution. But first, the national industrial sector needs improvements to step in Industry 4.0, and in technology aspect particularly. There are 5 main technologies to support the development. The 5 of it are the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, human-machine interface, robotic and sensor technology, and 3D printing. According to the Indonesian Industry Minister, Erlangga Hartarto, Indonesia has a strong domestic market and sufficient talents from the number of universities, therefore ensuring the talent pool's availability. The first approach should be to improve human resource competencies through a link and match program between education and industry. In Indonesia, there are 10 issues that affect all these industries. Number 1 is underdeveloped midstream industry. Number 2, under-leveraged geographical potential. Number 3, inevitable global sustainability trends. Number 4, left behind SMEs. Number 5, digital platforms are still underdeveloped. Number 6, limitation of domestic funding and technologies. Number 7, abundant but undertrained people. Number 8, absence of innovation centers. Number 9, inertia to stay in status quo. And number 10, regulation and policy roadblocks. So, Indonesia has set 10 national priorities for making Indonesia 4.0. Number 1, including micro enterprises to enhance domestic upstream material production. Number 2, flow redesign industrial zones to build a single nationwide industry zoning roadmap and resolve zoning inconsistency challenges. Number 3, embrace sustainability to grab opportunities under global sustainability trend. Number 4, empower SMEs to empower 3.7 million SMEs by technologies. Number 5, build nationwide digital infrastructure to advance network and digital platform from 4G to 5G, fiber speed 1 gigabit per second, data center and cloud. Number 6, attract foreign investments, engage top global manufacturers with attractive offer and accelerate technology transfer. Number 7, upgrade human capital. Redesign education curriculum under 4th Industrial Revolution era and create professional talent mobility program. Number 8, establish innovation ecosystem, enhance R&D centers by government, private sector, and universities. Number 9, incentivize technology investment. Introduce tax exemption subsidies for technology adoption and support funding. Number 10, re-optimize regulations and policies. Build more coherent policies or regulations by cross-ministry collaborations. One of Indonesia's objectives for entering Industry 4.0 is to prepare 5 manufacturing sectors to serve as pilots in upgrading the country's essential structure. The 5 industries primed to capitalize on Industry 4.0 are food and beverage industry, automotive industry, electronic industry, chemical industry, and textile industry. Beverage and food, by its access to enormous agricultural resources and high local demand, this industry already accounts for 29% of the country's manufacturing GDP. Adoption of technologies such as automated monitoring systems and drones can boost the productivity. Textiles and apparel industry. This industry accounts for the second largest share of Indonesia's manufactured exports. Its competitiveness has eroded as global manufacturers relocate manufacturing to lower-cost nations, but the local sector can improve its competitiveness by implementing essential processing technologies. Automotive industry. Indonesia is already the region's second-largest auto exporter. It can, however, increase its competitiveness by increasing local raw material and component production. Chemicals. Chemicals are widely used across the manufacturing business. Therefore, strengthening this sector is critical to establishing a globally competitive manufacturing industry. The enormous agricultural, oil, and gas resource in Indonesia's chemicals sector provided a competitive advantage. It can boost its capabilities by implementing Industry 4.0 technology and speeding up research and development. Electronics industry. In order to expand the country's emerging electronics industry, it will be critical to attract investment from top global players and upskill local experts. The implementation of Industry 4.0 aims to achieve the great national aspirations, which are moving Indonesia into the top 10 economies by 2030, restoring the industry net export rate to 10%, increasing labor productivity above labor costs, and investing 2% of GDP to R&D and technological innovation areas. Indonesia aspires to be among the top 10 economies in the world by 2030. The implementation of Industry 4.0 will provide a significant opportunity to revitalize the manufacturing sector and open up opportunities for Indonesia's vision of becoming one of the world's top 10 economies by 2030. So, net exports must be the next development engine. For Indonesia, the next 15 years will be a golden age, as the country will experience a demographic increase. Manufacturing, which employs more than 14 million people in Indonesia, continues to play an important part in the country's economy. The industry, however, is in decline. Artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, augmented and virtual reality, 3D printing, and next-generation robotics are among the technologies that can help Indonesia solve these issues. Utilizing such technologies can assist manufacturers in increasing staff efficiency and expanding their worldwide export market share. It has the potential to create additional job opportunities and revive the entire sector, allowing it to recover its position as a net export leader. The government anticipates its Industry 4.0 vision to raise it to 10% by 2030. The implementation of Industry 4.0 is expected to result in more specific new job opportunities, particularly those requiring advanced skills. As a result, skills transformation for Indonesian industrial human resources into the information technology industry is required. So, making Indonesia 4.0 can result in a significant increase in overall GDP and manufacturing contribution estimated at 16% of total Indonesian GDP in 2030 and gives job opportunities, with additional jobs created is estimated at 22 million by 2030.